So this is another private house in Tokyo. So it's quite small. As you can see, the size of the car, this is a small car, but compared to the size of the car, it's quite small. So from the very beginning, we gave up to make the bigger size of the living space, because bigger size in this plot is just a small house. So we tried to do the opposite strategy, not making the size, but try to create the varieties, the diversities. How to make it? We divided the small plot into small pieces, and then to create many different levels. We couldn't say many different rooms, many different levels, or many different corners, or many different areas. And then you could have a choice where to sit and where to read the books, or where to do something, eat breakfast. And each different levels could have some meanings. Sometimes it is just looks like a shelves, but if you come in to such a small space, something like this, then it is small rooms for you. Or if you have 10 friends, then of course, no 10 friends could stay these platforms. But then 2 here, 1 there, and up there. It is like a three-dimensional distributions, layout of the people, and then you could chat if you like. So it is new understanding of the living environment, getting more three-dimensional and getting more diverse. And you could choose, or you could find out your own way to use it. That's the meaning of the diversities. Give up the size, but we could create the varieties and the diversities. Then it looks like a kind of a Tokyo, I think. Tokyo city is made by many, many small things. Not only just architecture, but billboard, or some planters and the vegetation, some things. Every different kinds of small things are creating your territory. And finally, softly surrounding you to create somehow comfortable situations. So even though using that kind of a sharp artificial method, artificial materials, you could create that kind of a soft surroundings of the materials. Not only by the architecture pieces, but using these, your staffs, daily staffs, chairs, furniture, books, everything could surround you and could create your territories. So in here, architecture is not just the one thing to create your living environment, but the whole, everything of your life is creating your house. So in here, you should not see this beautiful architecture itself as a house, but the whole thing. The architecture is just a platform, and then everything you have is making your house.